Today we're going to learn how to classify polygons. But first, I want you to study two groups of shapes for me. All the shapes in this first group are polygons, and none of the shapes in the second group are polygons. So the question I have for you is, what is a polygon? There are two things that the shapes in this group have that the shapes in this group do not have. What are the two things you must have to qualify for this group to be considered a polygon? Turn and whisper to your neighbor if you see something different about the shapes in this group than the shapes in this group. If you said that all polygons have straight sides, which means no curves, you're right. You got the first one. The second thing is a little bit trickier. And if you're not positive, I want you to study this shape right here. What does this shape have that even though it has straight sides, it eliminates it from the polygon group? It must be a closed shape, which means all the sides must connect. Okay, this is not a closed shape, so even though the sides are straight, it's not considered a polygon. We are going to learn 8 different types of polygons today. The polygons are classified by the number of sides they have. So a triangle has 3 sides. A quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides, and a shape with 6 sides is known as a hexagon. 7 sides is a heptagon, which is a tricky one to remember. The way that I keep these two straight is that hex has an X, just like 6 has an X. So if you get confused, that's a good way to get those straight. An octagon, that's my stop sign. An octagon has 8 sides. A nonagon, this is a weird one that you don't see very often. A nonagon has 9 sides. And finally, deca, the word deca means 10, like 10 years in a decade. A decagon has 10 sides. These are the shapes that we're going to learn today. But did you know that they don't stop here? They keep on going. For example, a polygon with 11 sides is called a hendecagon. A 15-sided polygon is called a pentadecagon. There's even a name for a shape with 1,000 sides. It's called a kiliogon. But don't worry, you are only responsible for these 8 polygons. Want the worksheet I'm using in this video? Click on the link below and get the full packet, including partner practice, 3 pages of independent practice, a challenge page for your early finishers, and an exit quiz. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.